In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split your document into two columns using Google Docs. Whether you're formatting a newsletter, an article, or just trying to experiment with document styles, this simple process will help you create a professional-looking layout with ease. To get started, open your document in Google Docs. You can do this by navigating to the Google Docs website and locating your document under Recent Documents, or using the Open feature if it's saved in a different folder. Once your document is open, your cursor is ready to explore the world of formatting. Now head over to the top menu bar where you'll find the Format option. Click on it, and a drop-down menu appears, presenting you with various formatting features to choose from. Scroll down slightly until you see the Columns option and click on it. This is where the magic begins. You'll notice several options that pop up. To create a two-column layout, simply choose the second icon from the left, which depicts a document divided into two columns. Click this icon, and voila, your document is now split into two columns. But what if you need a bit more customization for your document? Perhaps the default settings aren't quite matching your vision. No problem. Google Docs has got you covered with additional options to refine your column setup. To explore these, navigate again to Format in the top menu, select Columns, and then click on More Options. This will open a dialog box presenting more detailed settings. Here, you can adjust the spacing between columns to either create a more open feel or a compact look, depending on your needs. There's also an option to add a dividing line between the columns, a handy feature if you want a clear visual separation in your document. Make your adjustments and hit Apply when you're satisfied with your new settings. Now, let's say you're all done and want to revert back to the original single-column layout. It's a quick fix. Simply follow the same steps by clicking on Format, going to Columns, and then selecting the first icon, which represents a single column. With one click, your document returns to its original form, keeping any text edits intact, and there you have it. By following these steps, you're now equipped to split your Google Docs into two columns and customize them to suit your needs. Whether you're a student, professional, or anyone eager to improve document presentation, mastering this feature can add a sleek, organized touch to your work. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting.